Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and Eddie G asked, hey man, how do you change the video setting on the GoPro HERO9 Black? So I'm going to show you with the GoPro. It is worth mentioning, if you have the GoPro app installed on your smartphone, you can change the video settings through the app as well if you're paired with your GoPro HERO9 Black. So it's actually very simple. See down here, I'm on 4K 60, 4K 60 wide standard. So all I do is click that. And then once I click that, it brings this menu up. There's a little pencil beside each one. I want to change the top setting, which is standard. So I'm going to click the pencil to the right of standard. And this touch screen on this GoPro is a little sensitive, so you may have to tap her a few times. Right here where it says Res FPS, resolution frames per second. Mine's on 4K 60 right now. I click that, and it brings up this menu. This is where it says 4K 60. So let's say you didn't want to do 4K 60, you only wanted to do 4K 30. You could click 30 down here on the bottom. Again, this screen's a little bit touchy. But see, now you can see it's 4K 30. Or you can do 4K 60. And let's see, does it do? Oh yeah, it does not do. So if you're doing 120 frames per second, that's going to be 2.7K. So again, to jump back to 4K at the top, click the 4K, and then do 60 or 30. Now, some people may use 24 frames per second. You can do that if you want to. A lot of videographers, they think, hey man, 24 frames per second is more cinematic. But I think for your use case, because Eddie G, you said you do cycling. If I was you, I would do 4K 60. The reason being is that when you record those cycling workouts, or whatever action you may be recording, when you edit the video, if you want to speed it up or slow it down within post-production, retime that video, filming at a higher frame rate is going to provide value. So your use case, I would probably use 4K 60. When I'm just filming walking around videos and I don't, intend to retime them within post-production, 4K 30 is fine. Now, why would you want to use 4K 30 instead of 4K 60 if 4K 60 is better? Well, 4K 60 is probably going to consume a considerable amount more of storage space. So if these are videos that you plan to retain for a while, you may want to do 4K 30. But again, it's a matter of personal preference. It's a matter of whether you plan to retime the video or not. It's a matter of whether you plan to retain these videos or if it's just a film and publish and delete, whatever your workflow may be. But I really appreciate the question, and I hope that this answered how to change the video setting on a GoPro HERO9 Black. So if you have any more questions, please ask. I'm here to try to answer anything that I can. And I appreciate your viewership. I see you're a subscriber. That's awesome. So thanks so much, man. And have fun with those cycling workouts. See ya. Hey y'all, Captain Rick Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRickSky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.